gladiators or animals would come in here and pray. The thing is, it's a bit dark, so I'm not gonna get in there, or I'm gonna use a flashlight so that we will see what's inside. I'm not that brave to get in there, so we'll see. Okay. That's not so bright. Oh, there it is. There it is. All right, that's it.
Process the copper, and he will give you a short demonstration how they're doing it. So over there in the back, it's really cool to see.
Hi.
Hello.
I will take only 1 minute for you, don't worry. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I will make for you just a demo, a small demo that will take 1 minute on this small piece of copper. Everything that you see here on the shop, all the copper plates and the trays are done right here by me or by my father. This is how it looks like when we're still working on it. It's gonna take a lot of time until this will be ready. So, I will make a very small design. One more thing and that's good. So, this, because I made it just as a demo, we'll make it a bracelet. You made it, Anna. That's it? Come, take it.
Very nice.
It's a gift.
Oh, thank you.
Come. You need to come close.
Uh,
Good?
pretty.
You just squeeze it more later.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Very nice.
Guys,
Very
look,
nice.
everything that you see, we make by hand. All, everything here on the wall. So each one is a one-of-a-kind piece. And my father also makes them, so he signed his name on them. On the table, it's not signed. because it's more mass-produced, same design that have been repeated all the time. It's Jewish and Christian motifs. The mix that you see is copper with silver together. It's also lacquered, baked in the oven so they won't tarnish. Now, if you want to buy something, so the prices are marked in shekel on the back, and you have 20% discount. Over than 400, you can have a tax refund also. Beside of shopping, toilets on the back. Okay, 4 toilets. 3 I think, because 1 broke down. If you need some help, I'm here.
Thank you.
How do you shine this? How do you make
Yeah.
This always remain shiny. Never need to be clean.
I'm surprised.
Silver tarnishes.
I'll show you the name of the store. Right there. Yeah, I got my bracelet. Thank you. Welcome to Rosh HaNikra. Slippery path, be careful.
Everything is shiny. Oh, goodness of it!
Paano ulit? Paano po ulit? Paano po ulit? May yung buhay mami yung hooks na nasa...
Oh yeah, that's nice. Alright, this is it.
Sweetie pie. Pamay pie. Tinapay.
We are going to start to walk on this tunnel. I want you to look to the right, turn on the lights on your phone because not here, during the tunnel is all illuminated. But what I want you to see is the bottom of